Well, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Damon Motors, a channel with award-winning high-performance electric motorcycles. And joining to talk about Damon 2.0, his place now as CEO, we have Dom joining us first and foremost. Welcome, sir.
Hey, pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and such a pleasure to get you on, especially in this ever-evolving industry, electric motorcycles. I think it's a really cool topic that's obviously going to be coming into fruition in the next year or two. But before we kind of get into Damon, their focus, what's going to be going on in 2025, tell us, I mean, what led up to this CEO moment? How did you get involved with Damon? Pull the veil back a little bit for us.
Yeah, sure. So for those of you that don't know, I'm actually one of the two co-founders of Damon. So my other co-founder, Jay Giroux, we started on this journey of wanting to make the world of personal mobility safer, smarter, and of course, we wanted to get the world off of gas as well, right? So electrification was a big component, but we felt that it was actually the trifecta of these three things which is basically leads us to to build the core principles of Damon, which then led to this company to be where it's at. That's really the kind of origin story, if you will. Like my background, I have a deep operations background, but I've been an engineer both in design and manufacturing for many, many years. I've made smartphones before they were smart. I made heads-up display, uh, before Google Glass was a thing. And now we take that those though that knowledge plus my deep love of motorcycles and all things personal mobility, and bingo, you have Damon. So
Well,
that's a
let's talk
little
about Damon 2.0 then. Give us an idea,
yeah.
kind of the evolving space here, sector involvement. What's going on? Tell us some of the updates.
Yeah, absolutely. So Damon 2.0 is an initiative where, we as a company needed to take a closer look at the market, and the evolving nature of the market itself. How are people using personal mobility? Like let's talk about the ever expanding industry of personal mobility. I mean, I'm looking at anyone from like my kids. So you're looking at millennials, Gen Z, Gen Alpha. They're looking at how do I go from here to there, not only in the safest way possible, but economically, and of course, saving the planet as well. Let's not, cause more pollution. So the 2.0 side of things is like, okay, how can we how can we get the message of Damon out into the mass market sooner? Like I'm impatient. I'm so excited about what we want to do in the industry that, we're taking a really close look at how the evolving market is asking what are they demanding for. We have not lost our way as far as like the hypersport. What we originally came up with, that is still like on the go for sure. But what we're doing is we're taking the core technologies that we've developed leading to the hypersport and accelerating its path out into the market. And so that's what we want to do is just basically have a much broader portfolio of products that meets the growing needs of the public into this world of personal mobility.
I definitely appreciate all the insights today. And this is just a brief introduction as we move forward. News catalysts come down the wire. We're going to bring it to you here. So consider subscribing for that news and let us know what you think in that comment section below. But on that note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.